queens and kings, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Brianna, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey, how you doing? Last video I wasn't all here, but today I am here. I'm giving y'all space. I'm giving y'all everything that I got, honey. And if y'all want to see how I actually got this look, keep watching. What I always start off with the Ultimate Hydrating Essence from Olay Mist, and I've been. This really seems kind of. Oh, bad right now. Ew. Ew. Anyways, I used the like it just feels weird. Okay, so I used the Hydrating Face Primer. If I didn't tell y'all before, I had accidentally shaved half of my eyebrow off on my right side. So in order for me to be able to complete the look, because that's what I felt like I needed to do, I needed to complete the look, I decided why not go ahead and shave off half of my eyebrow on my left side. I did that. Oh, that's not that bad. Okay, so we're gonna do the top, and then we're gonna do the curve right there. That shit ain't that bad. Thought it was gonna be bad. Going to attempt not to put a lot of that concealer on top of my eyebrow. So we're going for more of the natural look today. So I'm just going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal So I'm actually just going to go ahead and apply the Bobbi Brown Warm Almond 6.5 all over my face. And it's a little bit redder than my skin tone, which is really, hopefully it's not going to be too bad. And if it is, then I'll go in with, well, yeah, I'm going to do it anyways. Okay. So I'm actually going to use the Maybelline as well, matte plus poreless, normally to oily foundation in 340. It's Cappuccino. So I'm just going to put that on my, I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. I can't really like tell where this stuff is going. But we're figuring it out. It has like a line. I mean, it definitely did brighten that part up a little bit, which that's what I wanted it to do. So. But like it seems like it goes away. But maybe that's the reason why I don't smell it as much. But just for it being applied to the skin, it feels like it's definitely there. So that's that. I'm gonna go wash my hands. And we're gonna just blend it in. It didn't really like cover. I used to wear glasses, so it didn't really like cover like where my glass imprint was. I don't like that. Okay, we're gonna go back over it. Yeah, I don't like that at all. Good thing I haven't contoured my nose just. Leftover product from our dark concealer, and we're just going to do it along the line of the nose. We don't want the contour for the nose to be harsh. I'm just gonna do it this way, and don't worry if it's not as dark as you want it to. You can always go over it with a powder contour. So now what we want to do, to do is we're going to go in with the eyeshadow palette. This is one of my favorite palettes that I love using. It has all matte colors to proceed with caution, Shayla times ColourPop. And we're going to go in with this yellow, which is called Culture. To go in with this lighter brown in the same palette, and it's called Proceed. I'm going to switch over to a different eyeshadow. This one is called the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and I'm actually going to use this color. doesn't have a name for it, but it's like an orangey brown color. And I'm going to use this in my crease. I'm jumping back to the Proceed with Caution palette and going in with Hazard. What color should I go with? I think I'm gonna go, oh, I think I should do another crease color, babe. We should do a dark eye today, huh? Shut. Okay, so that wasn't my last crease color. I feel the need to, I shouldn't have done any of the other ones, but it's a build up. So we're gonna go in back into that Huda Beauty palette, and we're gonna go in with this dark purple color. Orange? Okay, so we are going to, but this is like a, okay. All right, this is something that I wouldn't prefer to use, but the boyfriend did request this color. It is Dead In, and it is a orange glitter. Now, this is something that I wouldn't use on this face of mine. But we're going outside of the box. We're going to step it up a little bit. We're going to give it a little bit of a touch of glitter tonight, I guess. And hopefully it goes with the shirt, because this is what I was intending to do. But,
oh, I messed up there.
but we're gonna implement this orange into this color. We're feeling a little bit Jamaican right now. We're feeling all of these things together. So it's Dead In, and it is a nice color. Let me swatch it for y'all. It's a pretty color, but I wouldn't, ooh, yeah, that's a bright color. But no, we're gonna do it, and I'm actually going to apply it. I feel a little bit more of a control if I apply the glitter. It's a cream glitter, so it's very, actually gonna use two. We're gonna use this Caution, and we're gonna use Dead In. We're gonna use these two glitter cream shadows. This was supposed to be a nice little natural, and it became something else when you walked in. Yeah, we need some falsies. We need some falsies on here. All right, so I'm back. I'm pretty sure I look ridiculous right now. I did go ahead and put on my eyelashes. Again, that kind of sets everything in place already, so I don't really use like a finishing powder. And it's a nice little rosy pink. It's super pretty. All you need is a little bit. Trust me, all you need is a little bit. And I'm gonna go right in where I put that contour out. And I'm going to set my makeup with the Radiant Finish setting spray from NYX Professional Makeup. So I am going to go ahead and cover the eyes. Now we can proceed with the cork lip liner. Lipstick first. This one's called Total Lady. And then we're going to go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go over it with another lip liner just to get, excuse me. I'm going to go right over it. All right, guys, so here is the finished look. I hope y'all like it. Oh yes, 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 hair was brushed too as well. So if y'all did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.